If you're in technical sales and you're getting a lot of people telling you not right now, then watch to the end of this video. I'm going to show you the questions to ask and how to close them.
Okay, so because we're new, the CFO would like for a cushion of cash to be built.
Okay.
Which means I have to reduce costs so that way I can have a cushion of cash from a cash flow because we have a lot of really large projects. So he just would like for costs to be low. The cost of the package is not a problem. Like I'm all for that. So my problem is I'm a customer. I really like their quoting software.
Yep.
They have help from sales and marketing, and yes, did they help me? And now I have some online presence, and it edifies me when customers Google me. Sure. So I just don't know that it's for me. I want my marketing to be more innovative and more
creative.
They don't have any videographers. I need people to push me to get aggressive and make 30-second videos to slam people in the face while they're on LinkedIn.
Yeah. I look at it from the standpoint of, like, I built my business 7 years ago, right? And I still deal with the whole cost of, do I want to hire this person? But I always ask myself the question, will it make me money? And how quickly could it make me money? So I would throw it back on you and say, let's just say we came to your place in January and shot video content, and within 2 weeks you had videos. Do you think that those videos could potentially earn you money immediately?
I would say yes.
Okay. If you had, let's say, 4 videos go out in the month of January, the second half of January, could that make you enough money to cover it?
Yes, probably.
And so,
yes.
I would
say yes.
And so if the answer is yes, then I would throw that back to, I know that it might make us feel a little bit uncomfortable, but I can guarantee you that this will bring in revenue, and I'm thinking it's going to bring in at least this much money. So can you afford to do the website in December?
Yes.
Because if you could afford to do the website in December, we can go start to finish before January 1st. So this is what I need you to do. Let's do the website in December. Answer me this question. Can we do the website in December?
Yes.
Okay. Can we start in January? Can you bend the rules and say, look, I know these guys can make me money in January just by shooting videos?
Yes.
So not all calls are going to go like that, but you have to try. You have to ask the right questions at the right time. And then if she would have answered differently, then I would have driven the conversation into a different path and asked additional questions. But the key with this is you got to ask the right questions to try and push them to close. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and we will see you on the next one.